Welcome to Zona Mechanica. There is an MCQ on simple stress and strain. Figure at the margin indicates the weightage of the question, that is 2 marks. A bar having a cross-sectional area of 700 square millimeter is subjected to axial loads at the positions indicated. The value of stress in the segment QR is, there are 4 options: 40 MPa, 50 MPa, 70 MPa or 120 MPa. Well, as you can see in the figure, there are 3 segments: PQ, QR and RS of this bar, and 63 kilonewton is acting here in tension, 35 kilonewton here, 49 kilonewton here and 21 kilonewton here in compression. Okay, so let us see the loads acting in the 3 segments first. This is the segment PQ. Here 63 kilonewton is acting, so here also 63 will act. Okay, and this is RS, this is the segment RS, and clearly here 21 in compression, so here also 21 will act in compression. So now the intermediate segment QR. So clearly 63 in tension and 35 in compression, so 63 minus 35, that is 28 kilonewton in tension, and here also 49 in tension and 21 in compression, so 28 in tension. So the load acting in the segment QR is 28 kilonewton. Therefore the stress will be load by cross-sectional area, so that is equal to 28 kilonewton by 700 square millimeter. Okay, so that is 28 into 1000 by 700 Newton per square millimeters, so that is equal to 40 MPa. Okay, so Newton per square millimeter is nothing but MPa. So clearly it's matching with option A. So option A is the correct answer.